Imagine a world where day one without humans sees an abrupt silence. By the second day, our once beloved pets adapt, forming packs, hunting. Without human intervention, power plants falter, cities descend into darkness. Nature doesn't wait, it begins reclaiming spaces, tearing through our concrete jungles. By day 5, a clear change is visible. The world we left behind begins to breathe better. In the circle of life, decay paves the way for new beginnings. 1 week without us, and the earth starts its journey of healing and transformation. In our absence, life continues, nature finds its way. The earth doesn't need us to survive, but perhaps it's a reminder for us to coexist, to respect, to cherish. Imagine respect coexist.